Good morning once again. Now we are going to discuss about computer. As you know that we had already discussed in the previous two classes about the computer, generations of computer and characteristics of a computer. Now here we are going to discuss about limitations of a computer. See, limitations means what are the limits. A human has no limits, but a machine has a limit because computer is a machine. So here are some limits of a machine computer. First one is zero IQ, means a computer cannot think like a human. It cannot act like human. So he has no intelligence, you can say IQ means intelligent quotient. So it works only within the limits that it has been introduced to do, means whatever we will type or whatever we will give the input, it will give only that result. मतलब वो अपने से कुछ नहीं कर सकता है. Next thing is lack of decision making power. A human can do anything, whatever he like or whatever he want to do, but a machine cannot. So here is mentioned that a computer is not capable to think any decision on its own. When unexpected situation arises, it gives incorrect results or abundance of job altogether. See, here is mentioned that when an unexpected situation, कभी भी कुछ भी अगर गलत होता है, and that time most probably it is possible that it will give us incorrect result also. Next thing is no heuristics, means heuristics is the ability to learn from past mistakes. Computer do not possess any such ability, means if once he had made mistake, you cannot say that it will not do it again. It can, because it is a machine. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज अबाउट वेयरेबल टेक्नोलॉजी. वेयरेबल टेक्नोलॉजी मीन्स वैसे टेक्नोलॉजीज जो हम पहनते हैं, गैजेट्स. सो इन दीज डेज, इन दिस लेटेस्ट बज वर्ल्ड इन द फील्ड ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, most of the wearable gadgets we are carrying in our neck, in our wrist, on our wrist, and you can say so on. So here is mentioned that it can be hung around our neck, or it can be worn as a piece of jewelry. Some of the categories are follow. First one is fitness trackers. See, fitness trackers are the band or watches that keep account of number of steps that you can each day and the calories you burn. I am simply giving you an example of smart watches which you people are buying these days and wearing. It has a facility to count your steps, to give a accurate data of your heartbeat, how much calories you are burning a day, everything. So this is basically, you know what, these days very common and you people are also using, some of you are using these things. So this is basically very popular these days. Second one was that, see, smartwatch, same thing. Smartwatch can be connected to the smartphones and that keep update with information and messages. Some of these are also available in the market where you can simply call, means you can put the SIM card and also you can call, you can use the WhatsApp messages, you can also read in smartwatches, as we can make calls, send messages, read news and listen to music. See, I told you. And they are also include functions of fitness trackers, example Apple watches. So many brands are here in the market which you can buy and simply use it. Next thing is about, last one is artificial intelligence and the machine learning. See, a lot of developments are happening in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Machine learning is based on the concept of machine that can be built to process data and learn on their own without constant human supervision. That has led to improve chatbot bots, voice-based assistants, Siri, Alexa, biometric recognition and robots. See, artificial intelligence these days are very popular. As an example, I am telling you an example of Google Assistant or Siri or Alexa. If suppose if you are asking anything, if you have an internet connection and connectivity, and if you are asking anything to them, they will simply give you answer, means they will simply assist you. And second thing, you know about artificial intelligence, or machine learning, which is example of robot are basically now these days in these, you know what, in these, you can say, corona days, you can also see that in the you have also seen in the news that robots are basically serving the food, robots are uh, you can say curing the people, and robots are helping everywhere. So these are the examples of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Means we are simply whatever we are, if we don't want to type, or if you don't want to know about, if you want to know about any place, any particular thing, and if you don't want to type, simply you just ask to Siri or Google Assistant voice based, and they will simply give you answer. Now that's it, because this lesson is finished. Now in our next chapter we will discuss about next topic, next lesson we will discuss. Henceforward, I'm going to signing off. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home.